The major raw materials of PVC floors are PVC, calcium carbonate, and some auxiliary chemicals. These powders are mixed together, which has become the first working procedure for manufacturing PVC floors. The function of high-speed mixer is mixing various raw materials evenly and discharging moistures in materials. Then, through a low-speed mixer, these evenly mixed materials are cooled to 40 to 55 degrees centigrade for discharge. Through the feeding machine, raw materials enter the intermediate transitional silo. Raw materials in the intermediate transitional silo enter the hopper of twin screw extruder through the feeding machine. The function of twin screw extruder is heating and pressing the well-mixed raw materials before plasticized, controllable extrusion. The production line adopts the touchscreen control with various built-in PLC modules. Man-machine automatic control can be realized through information exchange among machines. 3-roller calibration is carried out through hanger structure mold discharging, which is a crucial step for the shaping of PVC floors. Overseas technology and industrial production experience are introduced, and the principle of 3-roller shaping is applied. 3 rollers consist of 1 mirror roller and 2 dandy rollers, which is an essential condition for 3-roller shaping. The online lamination of PVC film and wearing layer gives them diversified presentations in appearance, suitable for different decoration styles. Frequency Changer adopts ABB series and applies PLC touchscreen intelligent gang control, thus enabling the highly efficient combination of equipment and ensuring the orderly operation of 3-roller calibration. The function of 2-roller traction is accurately dragging calibrated PVC floors into the cutter for cutting. International advanced 2-roller traction technology is adopted for accurate positioning, so that neatness and uniformity can be achieved at the time of cutting. The cutter adopts computer control technology to carry out fine cutting against products at different levels. Fixed-scale cutting devices are applied for the cutting part. The most obvious advantage of this practice is ensuring accuracy and elaboration, so that all cut products are consistent with one another. Based on multiple machining processes, perfect PVC floors come into being. At this time, the automatic plate lifting machine would lift the plate actively and stack the plate in the area of finished products, thus ensuring the orderly operation of the entire working procedure.